Hello dear students, today we will discuss worksheet number 28, tissue, simple permanent tissue parenchyma. Didi, what happened to the cell formed by meristematic tissue in the plant? Gyan, the new cells produced by meristematic tissues are initially similar to meristem itself. But after a particular cell division, some of these cells lose their ability to divide. These cells undergo a process of differentiation after which they form permanent tissue और बिकम द कंपोनेंट ऑफ परमानेंट टिश्यू। यानी मेरिस्टेमेटिक सेल जब डिवाइड होने के बाद कुछ समय तो वैसे ही रहते हैं, उसके बाद वो धीरे धीरे जो भी उनको नीड होती है उसके अनुसार वो चेंज हो जाते हैं परमानेंट टिश्यूज में। इसको ही हम सेल डिफ्रेंशिएशन कहते हैं, यानी अलग अलग टाइप के सेल्स में कन्वर्ट होते हैं। सेल डिफ्रेंशिएशन इज ए कॉम्प्लेक्स प्रोसेस इन विच अ सिंपल सेल ग्रोज, मैच्योर्स एंड चेंजेस its characteristics slowly and attain the ability to perform a specialized function in an organism. This process is known as cell differentiation. Through this process, permanent tissues are formed in the plant. Permanent tissues are of two types. Simple permanent tissue, these are made up of single type of cell. Complex permanent tissues, these are made up of different type of cells. Simple permanent tissues are of three types: parenchyma, collenchyma, sclerenchyma. Some feature of parenchyma are they form a basic packing of cells in plants and are also called packing tissues. Parenchyma cells are usually found in the inner layer of leaves, main filling of stems and root. Its cells are living and have thin cell wall. These cells have large centrally located vacuole that stores water and food. Generally, these cells are loosely packed and have large intercellular spaces. It provides basic support to plant. Types of parenchyma. Chlorenchyma. In some plants, parenchyma is called chlorenchyma because of the presence of chlorophyll in it. Photosynthesis process is performed in chlorenchyma. Parenchyma, it is another type of parenchyma tissues found in aquatic plant. The cells having large air space in them which provide buoyancy to plants to keep them float. यानी एरेनकाइमा में एयर फिल होती है और क्लोरेनकाइमा में क्लोरोफिल होता है. Let us discuss questions. What are permanent tissues? Name their type. Permanent tissues in plants are those tissues that contain non-dividing cells. The cells are also modified to perform a specific function in the plants. The cells of the permanent tissues are divided from the meristematic tissues. Permanent tissues are of two types. Simple permanent tissues, these are made up of single type of cells. Complex permanent tissues, these are made up of different type of cells. What is cell differentiation? A simple cell grows, matures and changes its characteristics slowly and attain the ability to perform a specialized function in an organism. This process is known as cell differentiation. Through this process, permanent tissues are formed in the plant. यानी कि जो सेल डिफरेंशिएशन होता है वो उससे ही परमानेंट टिश्यू बनते हैं मेरिस्टेमेटिक टिश्यू के बाद. List two features of parenchyma tissues. What are their main function? Features: its cells are living. These cells have thin cell walls. These provide the basic support to the plant. They also store water and food. Question number 4 कर लेते हैं. Where are parenchyma tissues found in plant? Why are they called packing tissues? Parenchyma tissues are found in the inner layer of the leaves, stems and roots. These do the basic packing work in plants, so they are also called packing tissues. यानी कि ये प्लांट्स के अंदर तने में, पत्तियों में, बीच में पाए जाते हैं, पैक कर देते हैं.